Sally works full-time. She's also raising 3 kids. She has to juggle a busy workload, school projects, cooking, shopping, and other important responsibilities. Though her kids learn a lot in school, they only seem to be interested in football, games, and food. Sally is worried about her kids' future. She wants them to grow into service-minded leaders, so she met her friend Jacque for advice. Then Jacque introduced her to JosiahKids, a school of young leaders with a mission to educate, empower, and equip young students in the areas of faith, leadership, community service, and the arts. At JosiahKids, young students develop leadership skills, serve their community, hear from professional guest speakers, learn the Bible, even music, dance, and sports. Sally enrolled her kids into JosiahKids, and now they are excelling academically, making amazing friends, and growing as leaders. Together, we can help you raise strong children. Learn more today at www.josiahkids.com.